Hello, madam. My name is Ricky Tamtonyang, project group leader for Group 5 from Lab Session 1AV.
Hi, Miss. My name is Cindy Wong.
Hi, madam.
Sorry, Chen Ning, just now you're late.
Oh, sorry, my name is To Chen Ning.
Hi, Miss. My name is Cohen Yu.
Hi, Miss. My name is Tai Shen.
So today we're gonna to present our project.
So now I will talk about the project scope and deliverable. The project will develop a mobile application for flood victims. The application will let philanthropists and enterprises to provide temporary hostel and donate some foods for flood victims. The application has two types of user. User can register as philanthropists and enterprises. They can upload the details of the temporary hostel to the application. The details will be the location of the hostel, the number of rooms, and others. For the goods that donate, the philanthropists and enterprises also can upload to the application. Donate biscuit, Maggie, Milo, and others. For the victims, they just need to open the application and find the temporary hostel without login. Victim needs to book for the temporary hostel. Next. Besides, if the victims need some goods, they can select from the application. Then the good will be sent to the victims as soon as possible. The application will have feature to book a hostel, donate goods, search for a hostel. The application does not need any payment for user because the application is to help the flood victims. Before developing the application, we will have a planning scope. We plan for the cost, system development, and others. We will also create a WBS, which is a work breakdown structure for the project. That's all for me.
So for the project schedule, we use about 90 days to done the project. That's all for me.
And now I will be presenting about the project resource. The project resource playing an important role in carrying out our project. And a resource can be a person, a team, a tools, finance, and times. And for the budget of the project, we got our project, we got the budget of the project, personnel of the project, and time to complete the project. And the first one is the budget is the resource sacrifices or foregone to achieve a specific objective. And the second is the personnel. Personnel is our management team is important because as most corporate executive has said, people are the most important asset. And for our personnel, we have project manager, deputy project manager, project sponsor, stakeholders, and team members. And next. And these are the budget table of our project. And that's all for me.
Hi, Miss. So I will talk about the part of risk and issue management plan. For the first risk is the insufficient funds. It's because the unable to find the sponsor. We can find potential sponsor and develop a better plan. For the second risk is the team member leaving. This is because of the low salary and we can do the offer a standard salary. And the third risk is the insufficient resource and hostel, and this is because of the lack of capital and human source. We can explore to the public and launch event to find potential sponsor. For the next risk is which is the application development fail. This is because the lack of technical staff, and we can launch interview section and hire the required team member. For the next risk is the application could not be complete in time. This is because of the lack of knowledge in time management, and we can plan the timetable well and have meeting once a week to follow up the project schedule. For the next risk is the application does not have a good performance. The root cause is the lack of knowledge of developing application, and we could hire some professional people in developing application to reduce the risk. Our next risk is the team member does not have a good cooperation. This is because of lack of knowledge in teamwork, and we can do is manage the team meetings wisely and encourage team members to communicate with each other. For the last risk is the application rarely downloaded. This is because of the application not attractive and less chance to use it. What we can do is to make the application more attractive and raise the awareness of flood. That's all for me. Thank you.
So now I will present about the part communication management plan. So for first, we in the initiating phase. We form a group and form a WhatsApp group. Then in planning phase, first we have a team meeting using the Microsoft Teams to discuss about the project ideation. And next, we also have discussed the project scope. We're also using the Microsoft Team meeting. And in the executing phase, then we design the system and solve the problem of the project. Then the template we use for communication is also the Microsoft Team. Then for monitoring and controlling, it will help on every Saturday during the project period so that project manager may know what is going on and all the progress of the project. And the last phases is the closing. Then after the system complete, then we will have a Microsoft Team meeting, then to produce a report and going to have a presentation. So that's all for our presentation. Thank you.